Hey lock lovers, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be doing a lock repair on this gentleman's tape line, so stay tuned for the results. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that like button if you like the results. Thanks. So the first step is to actually create his lock extensions, and since his hair is a bit thicker, I'm going to be making his lock extensions thick. Now this technique I'm doing is using the crochet needle. If you would like to see a detailed video of me doing this technique, make sure you comment below. Voila, and just like that, he has locks in the front. Now don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel.